flight. So now the controller compare the set value with the actual value. The compare here controller compare set value with the actual input which is getting from the gyroscope. So compare the set value with the actual value and produce the error signal, and the output of this comparison, it is nothing but the error signal. It is the error signal. So according to the error signal, the flight is turned into the required directions. According to the error signal, flight is turned in the required directions. So now another parameter regarding to the speed. So this one about the directions. This one about the direction. Now we will see how to control the speed. How to control the students. Today we will discuss the example on mechatronics. You know that mechatronics, it is the combination of different field. In the other hand, we can say that the mechatronics is an integration of mechatronics and electronics, computer, IT, just like. So here the how the mechatronics work and what is the actual example of mechatronics. You know that the flight, we will see the flight. So flight has a you know that the speed and direction is very important for any flight. So how to control the directions, how to control the speed of, that means velocity of the flight, we will see in this example. Now, so this is the process in the aeroplane. The pilots gives the input signal called a set value. It is called as a set value, or sometime it is called as a reference value. It is called as a reference value to the controller, and this value which is given to the controller, the actual input is given to the controller through the gyroscope. The actual input here, actual input which is getting from the gyroscope to the controller. This input is used to change the directions of the flight. This input is used to change the directions of the flight. So now then the controller compare the set value with the actual value. The compare here controller compare set value with the actual input which is getting from the gyroscope. So compare the set value with the value and produce the error signal, and the output of comparison is nothing but the example. Now, process in the use the input signal called as is called as a state value. Sometimes it is referred to the controller, and this which is given to the controller. The actual input is to the controller through the gyroscope. The actual input here, actual input which is getting from the gyroscope to the controller. This input is used to change the directions of the flight. This input is used to change the directions of the flight. So now then, the controller compare the set value with the actual value. The compare here controller compare with the actual value. The controller with the actual value. In the required directions. So now another parameter regarding to the speed. So this one about the directions. This one about the direction. Now we'll see how to control the speed. How to control the speed of the flight. Again here required velocity of the flight is set on the controller by the flight. Here given the required velocity the controller, and the velocity sensor here the controller. Since the velocity of the flight and the velocity sensor here the controller. Since the velocity of the flight and the velocity sensor here the controller. Since the velocity of the flight and the velocity speed of the flight will be changed or controlled with the help of the two signals which is getting from the required velocity or set value of the pilot, and velocity sensor sense value according to actual value, and the velocity sensor sense value according to actual value, and so here in short we can say that the speed of the flight is controlled by required value. According to the pilot, the speed and direction of the aeroplane will be changed. So this is the major example of mechatronics. Here you can see, so mechatronics is the combination of different fields. We can say that the mechanical, electronics, computers, IT, etc. Here, mechatronics, you know that flight, it is completely made by the metals, and there is different motors and actuators. So you know that all the things are controlled by the software. And you know that since we can say that here we will see the two sensor, gyroscope and LCD sensor. Both the sensor sense the signals, and you know that record the digital signals and introduce the digital signal. For that we have to record the ADC, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter. These are called as interfacing signal. These are called as an interfacing circuit. So that they are it's nothing but the electronics, and IT is nothing but algorithm. All these things how to control only by the using of the algorithms. So in this way, electronics, which is integrated of the mechanicals, electronics, IT, computer, etc.